Welcome to the captivating world of RC boats in 2024, where innovation and thrill seamlessly merge on the water. This year, technology advancements elevate the capabilities and performance of remote-controlled boats to new heights. Enthusiasts have an expansive array of options that promise unparalleled speed, agility, and realism. Whether you are a seasoned hobbyist or a newcomer craving adventure, the best RC boats of 2024 deliver an unforgettable experience. These cutting-edge vessels feature advanced propulsion systems, precise control mechanisms, and robust construction materials to ensure optimal performance and longevity. From sleek racing models designed for adrenaline-pumped competitions to beautifully detailed scale replicas that embody the spirit of iconic watercraft, there's a perfect RC boat for every enthusiast. Join us as we explore the top RC boats of 2024, where innovation meets passion and every journey on the water is filled with excitement and thrills. 1. Traas Spartan NR. The Traas Spartan NR stands as a pinnacle of speed, performance, and innovation in the world of RC boats. With a price tag of $450, it may seem steep, but the Spartan NR justifies every penny with its powerhouse performance, achieving speeds over 50 mph. It features a VXL6's marine power system that propels the boat with explosive acceleration. Its deep V-ABS hull and razor-sharp handling allow for precision control and stability at high speeds, making tight turns and navigating choppy waters a breeze. Additionally, the Spartan NR's self-righting capability reassures boaters of all skill levels, allowing you to push limits with confidence. Durable construction with stainless steel trim tabs and high-performance components ensures it can withstand the rigors of intense RC boating. 2. Proboat Recoil 2018. The Proboat Recoil 2018, priced at $420, brings high-speed RC boating excitement in a more compact and affordable package without skimping on performance or style. This deep V-boat is perfect for both beginners and experienced hobbyists, drawing on the successful features of its larger counterparts with easy operation and advanced self-righting capabilities. It reaches speeds of 25 mph thanks to its factory-installed Spectrum brushless power system, offering adrenaline-pumping fun on any local pond or lake. The inclusion of the Spectrum SLT3 transmitter with a self-righting button adds convenience and safety, allowing quick recovery from capsizes to keep the action going. 3. Probo Jet. The Probo Jet is ready to conquer the roughest water conditions with its innovative jet pump propulsion system and reverse gate for unparalleled control and agility. Priced at $350, this RC jet boat offers exhilarating speeds and robust muscle to navigate demanding waterways. Its sturdy ABS main hull and armor-plated underside ensure resilience against impacts, while the replaceable aluminum wear ring adds further durability. Choose from 2 officially licensed liveries, each featuring realistic details such as a roll cage, full cockpit, and LED lighting bars, enhancing the immersive experience. With high-quality Spectrum SLT3R electronics, the Jetstream ensures dependable control and precision handling. 4. Proboat Sonic Wake V2. Emerging as a formidable contender in the realm of RC boats, the Proboat Sonic Wake V2 is a blend of speed, control, and innovation. For $420, this sleek vessel cuts through choppy waters with ease while delivering an exhilarating experience. Its self-righting hull design quickly flips the boat upright in seconds, ensuring continuous fun even after mishaps. Powered by a water-cooled 1900 kV brushless motor, the Sonic Wake V2 achieves speeds exceeding 50 mph. Upgraded hardware like larger turn fins, adjustable trim tabs, and a larger propeller strut allow for performance optimization on the water. The sealed canopy keeps the interior dry and easily accessible, making it a standout choice for serious RC boating enthusiasts. 5. DIET Delaware 2104. The DIET DE2104, priced at just $110, is a high-performance brushless RC boat that brings extreme speed and excitement to the water. It can reach speeds of up to 30 mph with its powerful brushless motor, offering thrilling high-speed racing while maintaining precise control. The efficient water cooling system ensures optimal performance and longevity, even during intense sessions. Features like self-righting design and 180-deg capsize recovery function provide fearless navigation through challenging conditions. Additionally, the Auto Demo feature allows the boat to perform automatic driving stunts, adding an extra element of excitement to your racing experience. With a waterproof hull and advanced safety features like low battery and weak signal alarms, the DE2104 is built to last and provide endless fun on the water. Join us as we celebrate these incredible RC boats of 2024, each bringing unique features and excitement to the water, ensuring every outing is an adventure filled with thrills and innovation.